Hey guys, it's Kate. So today I am here with something kind of fun. I was on Amazon looking for some pieces for our Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party costumes. I am so out of breath. I ran up the stairs. Oh my gosh, I need to get in better shape apparently. And I found it was advertised this Marvel collector's subscription box. And the Venom movie is the next Marvel movie to come out. And my husband, Abel, has been talking about it since we've seen the trailer. So I thought that this would be a really fun surprise for him. So he should be here in about 30 minutes, but I wanted to show you guys a closer look at the box before he tears into it. So let me turn you around. We're in the man cave right now, and let me quickly cover up my address because I don't want you to see that. But this is what the box looks like. It's got really cool Spider-Man logos. Let's see. Collector Corps, Venom. So it's really cool. I believe it was $29.99 per box. So if this is something that he really enjoys and opens up and it's really cool, I probably will keep the subscription for him because we are both pop collectors. I believe there's a pop in here. Maybe not, it's kind of thin. We'll see. We'll see how he opens it. If he opens it and doesn't love it, obviously I'll just cancel the subscription. But either way, I thought this would be a very fun surprise because he's so excited about the movie. So when he comes, I will film his reaction, which you guys are gonna see right now. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I already explained to them what this is, but I ordered for you a subscription service. And the first box theme is Venom. What? I know! So you get to unbox it. Don't do our address.
Yeah.
Be good.
Let's see. You don't know our address.
I don't know what's in it. It's a mystery. It's
no, you don't know our address.
Oh, and I don't know our address clearly.
Whoa! So it comes. The subscription, please host. Okay. So it has a shirt. It's a pop shirt. I'm sorry guys, just got it from work.
I know, he literally just got home and I made him run upstairs so we had enough light to film. Here's what the back looks like. It says the subscription box plays Symbiote Host to a Pop Marvel Leaping Venom Pop, T-Venom Head, Pint Size Hero Venom, Venom Stress Ball, and a Venom decal sticker. All available exclusively through the Marvel Collector Corps on Amazon. So I already filmed a clip kind of explaining this box a little bit to you, but as he's opening it, I'll kind of explain again. So every month they do a different theme. Look how cute!
Stress ball.
Oh my gosh!
It's really soft.
And he has been so excited for Venom. So when I saw this kind of advertised on Amazon, when I was looking for our Mickey's Not So Scary pieces and our Dapper Day pieces, I really thought you'd like it, so I wanted to get it for you to unbox. There's a little stress ball. That's fun.
And this is a
decal.
So what if it's for the car?
I think you can probably put it on anything you want. You don't have any more room on your laptop.
I know, it was so funny because I was thinking that.
It's really cool though.
Oh, the box is cool.
I didn't think a pop was going to fit in there.
Oh my god, look at this pop though!
It's cool! So I'm hoping this one is an exclusive one, yeah. So we couldn't have bought this one in stores, which is why I think the kind of the point of the box is.
Whoa!
So that's what I hope I'm not too close. And then that's what the box looks like. He's really scary looking, hon.
Mm-hmm.
But I know you like that kind of stuff. What's that?
Oh no, it's like a keychain. Can you open it?
Oh. Is it a keychain?
It's like a adorbs.
Oh, he's cute though. He's tiny. Let's see. Yeah, he's the pint size hero of Venom. So he's little itty bitty. Oh my goodness, he's so small. You can put this on your desk at work.
Yeah,
or you can put it on your nightstand.
I'm gonna leave it here because I don't want.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
Yeah, I guess. Did he change colors? He's cute.
I don't know. He might. Maybe we should put him in the window and see if the light or something he changes color.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, it's so cute. The pop is nice.
The pop is amazing.
And the box is cool because it has the Venom print. Spider.
I was like, where'd the stress ball go? Yes. So let's see. Hold up the shirt. I'm excited to see that. Look at your little collection here.
Cool, and then it's
oh wow!
it's Venom, but it's like a pop.
You can wear that when we go see the movie.
I can't.
I actually really like the color. It's a pretty navy, and then the print of Venom is a teal, kind of like an aqua color. That's pretty darn cute. What do you think of the box?
I'm shocked. I was not expecting this.
Do you think what you got inside was cool?
Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff in here, right? Oh, and the decal.
And the box doesn't seem that big.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
I have to say, when it came and I got everything all set up in here for you, I saw the box and was like, that looks a little small.
But you open it, didn't you?
But I wanted you to be able to open it easy. So do you think you'd want to continue? You want to get the next box?
So it's a subscription. Do you pay it?
Yeah. I think I don't know that it's every month. I think it's every 2 or 3 months or something. But the theme is different every box, obviously. So I got you the Venom one first because I knew you were excited.
So, I'm not, you can clearly tell I don't do videos. So you pay for a year subscription?
No, I just paid. You pay per month.
Oh, so if I want to do that month.
Right, so that's why I only paid for the month, and I figured if you didn't like the box, I could cancel the subscription. But I pretty cool stuff in here. I think this kind of stuff is fun. I'm like, where else would you find this? Or really, I think the thing that's probably the biggest draw is the exclusivity of the pop. So we wouldn't be able to go into Hot Topic or wherever and get this specific pop.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
It's not in the back.
Right. So I think that's what kind of, makes it really cool.
He's a buff guy, though.
Well, I give this box a 10 out of 10. I don't even like Venom, but I think it had some really cool stuff, and I think the surprise for you was exciting for me.
Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh.
You love it?
I love it.
What would your rating be out of 10?
10.
You 10 out of 10? Okay.
It was a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. A t-shirt, a pop, a mini figure,
I might put this
decal,
at work.
and a stress ball. Yeah, heck yeah.
It does stuff I like. I like my decals and my pops.
Yeah, for sure. This is your speed, I think. Good. I'm glad I surprised you. I hope you guys enjoyed. I loved watching you open that. That was so fun for me.
Yeah, I was still shocked. So I want to say thank you, honey.
You're welcome. I love you.
Love you too.
Alright, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are not already so you don't miss any of our Vlogoween episodes. We're a TV series now. Videos. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, it was cool.
It was really cool.